Every layer has three things. First, the color, second, the line type, and the third, the line weight. Let's open the Layers Properties palette. We have the Layers Properties icon anchored to the left. So when you take your mouse pointer to the Layers icon, the Layers Properties palette will open. In case your Layer Properties palette is not docked to the left, in the Layers group, we have this icon here. You can open the Layers Property dialog box from here. Let's first undock the Layers Properties palette. So, double-click the title bar. This will undock the palette. In the title bar, click on this Auto Hide button so that the palette does not hide automatically. Even if you don't create a layer in AutoCAD, you will always be working on a default layer. The name of the default layer is 0. Let's try to delete this layer. Click on this cross button here to delete the layer. AutoCAD is giving an error that it cannot delete this particular layer. Click on Close. Let's try to rename it. Take your mouse pointer over the layer, click the right mouse button, and from the menu, choose the Rename Layer option. We will get an error saying that the selected layer cannot be renamed. Click on Close. Let's create a new layer. This button here is the New Layer button. You can even see a keyboard shortcut that you can use to create the new layer. Click on the button. You will get a new layer which has the default name Layer 1. Let's change the name. Press the backspace key. Let's call this layer as Part. Type Part. This field here controls the color of the layer. You can see these headings are not visible. Let's first increase the width of the window and as well as the columns to see the complete heading. Click here. This will open the Select Color dialog box. Let's click on the green color. Click on OK. The line type is continuous. Click here. This will open the Select Line Type dialog box. Click on the Load button. From here, we can select the type of the line that we want, whether it should be continuous or any other type. Click on the Cancel button. Let's keep the line type of the part layer continuous. Continuous is already selected. Click on OK. Let's take a look at the line weight. Click here. This will open the line weight dialog box. From these options, we can select what should be the thickness of our lines. Let's not change this. Click on OK. Click on this button to add a new layer. Press the backspace key and type Center Line. Take your mouse pointer to the color box and click on it. Let's choose this yellow color. Click on OK. Let's change the line type. Click here. Click on the Load button to see what all options of line we have. Scroll down here. We have some predefined center line types. Click on Center 2. Click on OK to load it. Click on Center 2 to make it the default line type for the part layer. And click on OK to apply the settings. Let's not change the line weight. Let's add one more layer. Click on the New Layer button. Press the backspace key and type Hidden Lines. Press the Tab key. Let's change the color. Choose this color, cyan, by clicking on it. We have few more options for color if you want to explore some other colors. Click on OK. We have to change the line type as well. Click here. Click on the Load button. Let's scroll down. Here we have few options for hidden line. Click on Hidden 2. Click on the OK button to load it. Click on the Hidden to line type to choose it. Click on OK to complete the selection. Let's set the centerline layer as the current layer. Click on Centerline Layer. You can see a tick mark button on the top. Click on it. This will set the layer that you have selected as the current layer. Anything that you draw now will be drawn on this layer. Click on the cross mark to close the layers palette. Let's draw a circle. Let's draw a few lines too. Well, you can see that anything that we draw is yellow in color and the line is non-continuous. But the line appears to be continuous. This is because the scale is too small. Let's increase the scale. Click on the circle. Take your mouse pointer over the Properties palette icon. In the General group, we have a line type scale field. Click on it. Delete 1. Type 5 and press the Tab key. Take your mouse pointer off the Properties palette, press the Escape key. The circle still appears to be continuous. Click on the circle again. Take the mouse pointer to the Properties icon, click on the Scale field and let's change the scale to 8. Press the Enter key. Now press the Escape key. Now we can see the line type is visible clearly, but the line still appears to be continuous. This is because we have only changed the scale of the circle and not the entire layer. Let's change the scale of the entire layer. Take your mouse pointer over the Properties palette icon, click on the Line Type Scale field, type 8 and press Enter. Click on the line icon, click here to specify the first point, pull the mouse pointer and click here. Now you can see that the line that we drew is dashed. In this way, sometimes when the line type is not visible, we have to adjust the scale. Either increase or decrease the scale till the line type appears. Click on this icon to open the Layers palette. Let's change the color of the centerline layer. Click here, click on the magenta color, click on OK. Close the palette. Because we changed the default color of the layer, the color of all the entities that we had drawn on the centerline layer changes automatically. In the next tutorial, we will look into some more features of layers. This concludes our tutorial on creating layers.